Damn, man, shit crazy.
Damn, man. Why I gotta be like that? It ain't even worth it, man.
Yeah, for real, man.
And all you people scared to show y'all pain, man.
I gotta let out some.
They took my nigga Mick away. I
This
saw it, man.
shit was real, for real.
Shaking my head, man. It's like fucking real, man.
Everybody got problems.
People ain't playing
All
with
my
nobody,
upper weight
man.
niggas, man, were in jail, man. Free
It's
Phil,
gotta be the 7.
free 6, man.
Yeah, but we
CQ.
gon' down, man.
I been in the struggle trying to make it through the days. Most of my niggas locked up or they dead down in the grave. Some niggas be joking, but everything ain't a game. Now I don't want you to cry, but I want you to feel my pain. You only get one life, now look and change or stay the same. Please don't do nothing stupid, then be looking back with shame.
R.I.P. Mick.
Your mama can't take the blame, cause when you get her in the field, just know that somebody in pain.
It's crazy how you gotta fall just to be in the game and have babies having babies, but don't know the daddy name. Don't wanna tell your friends that they gon' laugh and you ashamed, but after 9 long months, you the one that's gon' feel that pain. Now you kicked out of school, wondering what you done did. All cause that lifestyle ain't work. Now you wanna abort the kid, and you wasn't married, so on top of that, that's a sin. And you only live once, so you can't retry it again. There's people with no umbrella who left out in the rain, and it's kids with a system, but don't even got the game. They fishes in the bowl, cause they can't afford a tank, or they got a Christmas tree with no presents or candy canes. We all live and die, you either feel or you can see. No matter what you did, when you dead, you can see. It was hard coming up, you could have really put some seats at the subway was the socks, praying they wouldn't agree.
I been in the struggle trying to make it through the days. Most of my niggas locked up or they dead down in the grave. Some niggas be joking, but everything ain't a game. Now I don't want you to cry, but I want you to feel my pain. You only get one life, now look and change or stay the same. You don't do nothing stupid, then be looking back with shame. You the one who did it, your mama can't take the blame. Cause when you did it right, you know that somebody in pain.
See, I've been kinda twisted ever since they took my twin. I never even thought that I could be happy again. And I'm tired of the fakeness of my mama, my best friend. Now I can't get mad at cancer, but that's why my granny dead. Cause I looked at my mama and she looked at kinda tangled. I be like, Lord, why I need a sister, not an angel? I know that is a reason, but every reason ain't good. Now my big sister got babies and she moving out the hood. My days are mad at Nike mad at my mama mad at her mama, man, I swear it's all the drama. And some days I be like ain't I be dead. Oh, I was just her, but that's a church dead.
I been in the struggle trying to make it through the days. Most of my niggas locked up or they dead down in the grave. Some niggas be joking, but everything ain't a game. Now I don't want you to cry, but I want you to feel my pain. You only get one life, now look and change or stay the same. Please don't do nothing stupid, then be looking back with shame. Since you the one who did it, your mama can't take the blame. Cause when you did her in the cell, just know that somebody in pain.
Ooh, this on me, I love you mama for making me. Cause if you wouldn't have, I probably wouldn't be who I be. When I started the team, I wouldn't be getting this cheese. That's why I pray on my knees, you never leave me.
Mama, I love you, I was your first and your only boy. You always told me not to get played cause I ain't a toy. I know you did your best, but a woman can't raise a boy. And one day I'ma be a man, but girl, I'm still your boy.
Ooh, to be 100, I'm happy my daddy ain't around. Cause when I'm up, that's when we see who be laughing now. That's why I grind to make sure you and my granny go smile. And my sister and two, I'm with Edward in the
You
clouds.
gotta do a lot cause what you see is what you got. My mama worked too hard just to come see me in the box. And I ain't tryna wake up every day and have to wear no Crocs. That's why I'ma bust my ass, so I'ma end up on the top.
Ooh, you know the name, Nuke Money.